Here's another project we got going, and it's also another gut rehab. Today we're doing windows and doors. It's a little rough when you first look at it, but a couple weeks from now, another diamond in the rough. Hey, that tub can go, but that pump's got to stay. That's a keeper. Oh, but here's something funny. Best part about that other house we were just at was the tarp on the roof. Best part about this house, here it is over here. The Kohler toilet, which was pristine until Tristan dropped something on the lid and broke it, but it still plays the music. And in here what we want to do is we want to reframe and put a second floor on to add space on here. Pretty property. It's got a nice waterfront along the cove. This right here is Andrew, my HR guy. Hard at work. How's your day going, Andrew?
It's going great.
Great. So that looks good in here, and we have to get that dumpster loaded by 4 o'clock for changing it out. And the check's on the window. All the electrical outlets go, all the wiring goes. You knew that, right? Yeah. Doing a good job here. Good. You in the basement yet?
No, because that's just pulling stuff out. So
Looks a lot cleaner in here. Diamond in the rough, right?
Exactly. Be nice when it's done.
Be nice when it's done.